Manipur the NRC tauke haibagi wakhanun leibi brana traga taunana ba plan tau braina question ama ina hangne ba ko home minister da. That question was disallowed. Chona kandana NRC lebra adu tawa adu mautai lo jais ni. I'm boldly saying it. I said this before election. There is a need to distinguish who is a citizen and who is not a citizen. Call whatever it is, there must be a judicious institution mechanism must be evolved. For that we need to work together. Whether you are this party or that party doesn't matter. Don't play around a name called NRC. Call it by any other name, but we need to have this measurement. Masigi measure si malokot ragadi ay koi the problem ama laigadoriba. That also is part of the demand that I put in front of the Home Minister. I wish we don't need to organize such meetings anymore in our life from today. Let's hope for it. And we work together, press, correct our hauna lonchat, wangang sangang, kihan na kota na tau na bot man nusun nomika kapten yam tawi. That is not to solve. May tay masati am sati muni. Singer ay kuting isum maning handa bani habido kawi gano. Angom sa Bimol may tay isa. May tay masani. Kaysam tong the pork pani. Now from maduda tarak pani mapanda lerega sulay pa kitabak ta yaw dun the laban upa mani habi say ma'am kawi gano. Nasi so aygi maninda. Manipur gi miyam na ne masisa luso masisa lalak pani na miyang gi voice pura lat pa ay na kay gumba. Tawit hanbak sida sorry am na fungalaga day ngalang interview barkada ta hai baina su. There's no reason for me to hang on as an MP. Ay nangangi tawgi khaliba po si kana roy khalak pa matam do raga thiba. I don't need. I'm very clear about why I am here. So let's be together. Asoy ang ba mayam say ni sinaw mayam na na. Pin da bagi ngangi ni masiday sida politics amuk tarakanu kana roy. Ay na ako biyam chang na press ki investigate to wati ngangi ngangu to we finished that work. It is now there. No wati ngangi ngangu to I have spoken in parliament. I am still meeting a lot of people so how to deal with our internally displaced people. Corporate house ki mi unari spiritual leader unari foreign embassy ki mi unari politician unana bohonari. This is little that I can do within last 2 months as an MP. I'm still going to do it. No you will not be able to stop me from doing the things that I wanted to do, for which I fought the elections, for which the people of my state supported me. Masay ko'y kaugubsi, ay saitigi haizer man ito mayam so ay masay haizer ipapot na amse kok chalaga isa no suntopiyo. Oy da padawang bi kanu bebhar kai bi kanu isa isudat mun groom tawiyo. Adu kana ano ba Manipur ma ko'y sway na lakani. Chahi tarit kuntakpagi chahi chani subak kumon palon na ni eastern side ki thol ko problem na kogi. I have already told a united Manipur where every community and citizens can live with peace and harmony and sense of dignity and well-being. It is good for everybody. Do not have that narrowed identity politics. You think that you will destroy Manipur, it will be next to impossible for you, number one. And two, that kind of politics will only end up harming you more than anybody else. Masi ay mayam to thamjaram ge aduga ay na hek law zabu ko ina law ba parliament din law yadam ni ko mayam piano to kumbiro aduga ilo sindar ge saida yam kegre organization ge permission la police na pha dan pa gale and MP ne das way to thador ko su ke thaje de ai saise aduna loisal lage mayam pen abong to kumbiro do wakhan manase pugning handabiga no. We will come over this challenge. I koi kaino ne chahi lising hinga ba izate ni aduna mingon da sukai bi ganu me akoi da sukai bi rakano aduga kaida agadi tabok to ko to pang to kani hai na lege da baksurum ni masi hai ga akoi pen ba muta law si ko ya ko me yes ready imalay partner jai Manipur imalay jai